Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a shipping label on Shopify. All right. Did you know that Shopify has its own shipping label template? All right. Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and paste this one right here. Don't worry, I'll leave this one in the description. All right. So what we're going to do, as you can see, shipping label maker. Just go ahead and enter the sender information. For example, you, me, myself. All right. Just for example at gmail.com. Address, gonna hit on 123 or 123 right here. Maybe United States, Alabama. Then enter receiver information. You, receiver. All right, email the receiver at gmail.com. Once done, the address 123 123 123. I'm just going to show you the example. All right, maybe I'm going to send this package to Hawaii. All right, enter shipping information right here, the date, the tracking number. All right, for example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, package weight be 1 kilograms. Now once that's done, just go ahead and click on create a shipping label right here. And as you can see, nicely done. Your shipping label has been created. You sent it to the email address you provided. Go ahead and check your email. If not, go ahead and hit on download now right here for your convenience. All right, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Gmail right here. As you can see, we have a new notification. Your shipping label is ready to go. Get your shipping label now. Just click on it and wait for the website to load. As you can see, it is given as a downloadable file. Just go ahead and start the download right here. I'm going to open up the folder. There we have it. Let's say I'm going to open it up with my PDF reader if I have it. Well, I don't see it right here. I'm just going to go ahead and use Brave. Now it's going to look like this. If you want to edit this one, just go ahead and open up your PDF reader and move everything. All right. So that's basically how we make a shipping label on Shopify. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.